was Philippines school, that's not open now. So now I know how much is it. You don't make it easy for them. University now.
Yeah, because they're doing that, but actually they don't know how to. Cantaloupe or you ice cream, guys. Nalagyan natin ito sa freezer. Lumin muna natin yung yan. Nalagyan na ito sa freezer. Okay. Ayan na guys, ang ating ginawang ice cream. Masyadong ano.